Okay, I'm walking to the beach. To the beach. There's a trail that's designated by a sign that says beach access. And you can't go over here to this house or the property. Get quite a little walk between the beach and the house. So you gotta cross the dune. There's no walking on the dunes. Don't want to do it. So you're gonna stick to the path as much as possible. If everybody walked through this place, the dunes would be no more, and then dunes would wash away. When the dunes wash away, what protects the houses? I advise wearing some kind of sandals or something in here because there's a lot of thorns in the sand and you get things stuck in your foot. A lot of different fauna, a lot of different flowers, and there's actually some cactuses growing. A lot of cactuses coming up. Pretty cool, huh? This almost seems kind of remote. There's another one. There's another access point way down that way that actually has a boardwalk, but it's a little further, not as convenient to our house, our rental property. Actually, Lizzie had stayed maybe a block from here several years ago, 2-3 years ago. Oop, gotta make it through here. Oop. Problem. Da 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 da. There's the houses. See? Up there's the beach. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What's there? Oh, we're at the beach. Looks pretty. Look at it. I wish I would have came down last night. Leave my sandals here. Miles and miles. There's one guy down there fishing. Miles and miles of beach. Some tire tracks going through it. Sunday's supposed to be the bigger waves, according to Paula, the surf queen. Paula, the queen of the surf pirates website. She has a little widget on there. It's so cool. Yesterday there were people out here flying kites. Lizzie was telling me about there used to be a kite festival somewhere in Pakistan, and they had to stop doing it because there were too many people being decapitated. It's flying a kite kind of hazardous, so I guess you could actually kill somebody with it. There's a weather station way down there. Something, I don't know. Oh, look at the water. I won't be getting wet. Not with a camera in hand. That's some huge ass waves coming by. We got some bird prints down there. My prints, human prints along with bird prints. Uh-oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Oh no, no! I don't want to get wet! No! Very little. Just be lost on this beach. I have no idea where I'm at. Thankfully, I left my shoes near the entrance, near where I came on. I don't think meander back down that way. It's going to be a beautiful day. Too bad we're not staying another day. We might not go home right away, but we do have to be out of our house by 10. I'm sure Lizzie's itching to get it going. Uh-oh, here comes some water. Down in it a little bit. Just a little bit. Woo! It's cold! Oh no! This is about as far as I go. I want to give it a surf. Okay, that's definitely it. Yeah, it's a little chilly. No more than it's been. You do get used to it once you're in. Definitely the best time of year to come, I think. But now, August. August will probably be a lot warmer. Wonder what it's like during peak season here. Probably have lots of lines. They do get over, say, 3 million visitors to the Outer Banks every year, so there's quite a few visitors. We could buy us a house down here, a rental property, but you'd still have to make payments, so it averages out to like $500 a month that you have to pay for this, maybe like to get like a 4-bedroom house that brand new, rent's banking on a lot for like $500,000. And they rent it out, so we'd end up paying $400 to $500 a month extra on average, because it doesn't rent out all year. It'd be nice if it could, but we do want to look at doing that, but I don't think that's going to be anytime soon. Probably going to be, as David Bach says, probably looking around where we live. So we're going to try doing that, getting a house where we live within the next year, and then maybe another one after that. Live in that for a couple years. We'll keep doing that. The David Bach method is very simple. David says you live in a house for 2-3 years, go look for another one, move into that, rent the other one out. Then if you want to, you have the ability to sell it and make a profit if you can, because you're allowed to make, what is it, I think they said $150,000 or $300,000 tax-free real estate gains every 2 to 3 years on a house. So it makes sense to be able to do that, not to live in it 2 or 3 years and then sell it, not to live in it for 20 years. I will be doing that. David Box, Retire Rich. Or Retire, Start Late, Retire Rich. Great book. Alright. Let's see. Hopefully I haven't passed my shoes yet. Would suck, wouldn't it? I think I did, but maybe I did. Maybe they're over there. See, there's just nothing on this beach to tell you what's what. I think I did, because I remember this from yesterday. This little ravine here. It's like a little, where the water comes, it almost creates like a river, and it's just pulling away at it. And you can see where the sediments are. It's pretty cool. I like this black stuff. I wonder if that's oil from ships or whatever. Vessels that have been stranded. You can see how it's got the layers. It's like almost just sedimentary layers. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I would guess my shoes are right up there. Walking in that filth too long. It's kind of cool how the waters have washed it all away. There's like little hollows. Yeah, there's my shoes. And then I'm just gonna take the walk back, and once I get to the top, ooh, somebody left a little fishing net down here. Is it a fishing net? See? Somebody left their little net. You can take that back to the house. I leave stuff on the beach all the time. And there's my shoes. Now getting back up is a little tricky. It's just walking sideways. Sidestepping so you don't fall. Or you can just go that way. It's just taking the flip-flops off, but being careful when you get to the top, because wow, they got a lot of seagulls. They must be feeding the seagulls. That house. Tons of them around their house. Anyways, that'll be the end of the video. We've made it. My little walk at Salvo Outer Banks. I suggest it's a great place to come to. Salvo is apparently one of the less visited areas along the Outer Banks. And this time of year, beginning of June, end of May, awesome time to come. No one's here. Alright, well, see you in. Hope you come to the Outer Banks. Check out, remember to check out Paula, the Queen of the Surf Pirates.